In this video, I'll show you how to upload a zip file on GitHub. Uploading a zip file to GitHub is useful when you want to store a compressed project, share multiple files in one package, or keep a downloadable version of your work inside a repository. First, open GitHub in your browser and sign into your account. Then go to the repository where you want to upload the zip file. If you do not have a repository yet, click the plus icon in the top right corner, select New Repository, enter a repository name, choose whether it should be public or private, and create it. Once you are inside the repository, click Add File, then choose Upload Files. This will open the upload area where you can drag and drop files from your computer. Now find the zip file on your device. Drag it into the upload area or click Choose Your Files and select it manually. Wait for GitHub to finish uploading the file. The upload time depends on the size of the zip file and your internet connection. After the upload is complete, scroll down to the commit section. Add a short commit message, such as upload project zip file or add compressed source files. A clear commit message helps you understand later what was added to the repository. Next, choose whether to commit directly to the main branch or create a new branch. For a simple upload, committing directly to the main branch is usually fine. Then, click Commit Changes. Your zip file should now appear in the repository file list. Anyone with access to the repository can click the zip file and download it. Keep in mind that GitHub has file size limits, so very large zip files may not upload normally. If your file is too large, consider using GitHub Releases, Git Large File Storage, or another file hosting option. Also, if the zip contains a full project, it is usually better to extract the files first and upload the actual project folders, so others can view the code directly on GitHub. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.